Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stamp It Up demonstrator. And today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm not going to be stamping with you, but I am going to show you a project. First, I'm going to start off with all the stamp sets that I used. I have used the Beautiful World bundle, actually, because I used the dies as well as the stamps. I used a Good Man, the Best Year stamp, the Happiest of Birthdays, as well as one stamp from Itty Bitty Greetings. Okay, now let me show you what I have made. I made a card that is very interesting. So this is the first card that I made. Cute. This is the second card that I made. Cute, right? This uses the Beautiful World designer series paper. I think it's called A Good World. And the little trinkets that go with this suite, A Beautiful World. And over here, this designer paper is the Touches of Texture. No. In Good Taste. In Good Taste DSP. That's what that is. And then, so that was the first card. This was the second card. First card. Second card. Third and fourth card. We have 4 children. So instead of making 4 separate cards or one card and have them all, everybody has their own spot and their own message so they can all sign. This is using a full sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. This is Early Espresso. I scored it at 5.5 and at 4 1/4, and then I cut on the score line at 4 1/4 down to the 5.5. Folded it over and folded it back. That's it. Isn't that cute? I thought it was genius. And this is the Forever Greenery designer series paper on this side. This is using the Memories and More of the Beautiful World Memories and More pack. I cut this card down, and this was the part I cut off. I just flipped it over and adhered it to the top. I just thought this was so cute. So this way, again, opens like this. You flip it over, it opens like this, and then you open it in the middle. This is so cute. I'm so excited to give this away to my husband from his children. So again, we use the Good Man, Beautiful World bundle, Itty Bitty Greetings, Happiest of Birthdays, and Best Year. And we use the designer series papers In Good Taste, Forever Greenery, and let me see, I can't think of the name. The other one. Okay, World of Good Specialty Designer Series paper, In Good Taste Designer Series paper, Forever Greenery. Oh, and that's it. Yeah. So I used those 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I wanted to remind you guys that we have about a week and a half left of the catalog kickoff. That is for the month of June 2020. Stamp It Up is offering a special bonus when you sign up to be a demonstrator or a discount shopper. You get an extra bundle. You can add a bundle to your kit, so you can get the Best Year is also a bundle. I just don't have the dies for that one, but say if you like the Beautiful World, you can get the stamp set and the dies as a bundle for free add it to your kit, or you can get a stamp set in a punch bundle. I don't have one close at hand to show you, but the kit is $99 plus tax, free shipping, which is a 10% savings right there for the shipping. And you get to choose $125 of any product that you want to go in your kit. So it's 100% customizable. And you get to add on a bundle, and the bundle can go as high as $60.25. I think that's what we offer, the highest one here in the United States. And if you want to join my team, just let me know. You can go to my website at honeybeestampinhive.com and click on join my team or join Stampin' Up, and you can learn more about what's going on. We also have a host/customer special going on for the month of June, where if you place an order or hold a party or collect orders from you and your friends of $250 or more, you get an additional $25 in Stampin' rewards. So if your party is $250, you're going to automatically get $25 in Stampin' rewards, and then you're going to get an additional $25. So that's $50 in Stampin' rewards at minimum for placing a $250 order or having a party of $250. So that's only till the end of this month, so you don't want to miss out on those two specials. And don't forget to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin, because the next kit is going to be awesome. But that's all I have for you today. I don't want you to forget about any of these great specials, so I just wanted to give you that reminder while I was here today. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.